হবে। So I woke up at 8 a.m. and I look around, both my roommates are sleeping. So now I get out of the room thinking that I'll knock on my next door neighbors. So I knock on the door and I step back a little, move towards the right because I don't know what way they would wake up. Maybe they would be indecent. I don't know. I just waited there like an idiot for about 10 minutes and nobody answered. So then I went down to the second floor where I knew where my other classmates were staying. I just knew the number of one other room, 210. So I went there and it was locked from outside. That's when it hit me that probably nobody's there. So I called one of them and she said that they've been at the beach since 7 o'clock. I asked ma'am if I can go, but she said that they would be coming back now for breakfast and that I can go after that when she takes us. Ready? Hi there everyone, welcome back to part 2 of my Puri trip vlog. Now this is the day when we were completely free because पिछले दिन industry visit complete हो चुका था and we were given permission to go anywhere we wanted to go but we had to be back before lunch. तो तैयार होके सबसे पहले हम लोग निकले मार्केट के लिए. Now पूरी का मार्केट is famous for a lot of things but mostly लोग यहाँ पे पूजा का ही सामान खरीदते हैं. I wanted to buy something but I wasn't sure what I wanted to buy, so मैंने बहुत देर explore किया. I saw a lot of different kind of things. वैसे तो मैं पूरी पहली बार ही आ रही हूँ but मेरे relatives बहुत बार आए हैं and हर बार कोई कुछ ना कुछ तो लाते ही थे. तो पूजा का सामान बोलो या फिर मूर्ति सब कुछ ही था. Next the thing that was on my checklist was खाजा. I really wanted to taste खाजा and buy the best सबसे premium जो मिलेगा वही. So this is the typical kind of jewelry found in Puri. It's very colorful, very vibrant. A lot of work with shells and I can see a lot of bright and vibrant colors which is in contrast to what we find in Kolkata. All the tones are very subtle, and even if it's a pink it will be a subtle pink, if it's a red it will be a subtle red, but here it's very bright, colorful. The market that we came from and that's the beach. We'll be buying khaja now from this place. Before buying khaja, we tried different types of khaja that was available in the store. There was different price points and like या तो वो तेल में तला होगा या तो घी में, उसमें भी किसी में कम स्वीट किसी में ज़्यादा स्वीट. So there were a lot of variations. We tried everything and उसके बाद भी someone suggested that मंदिर के पास there's one more नरसिम्हा sweets shop that sells the most authentic खाजा. वैसे तो हमारे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं था दर्शन करने लायक but we still decided कि जब इतना दूर आ ही गए हैं तो टेम्पल कंपाउंड तक तो जाते हैं, भले ही हम लोग अंदर तक ना जा पाएँ बिकॉज लाइन में इट ऑलमोस्ट टेक्स लाइक 2 to 3 hours. We only had about an hour before lunch time, so we had to make a quick decision whether we would go or not. So first I wanted to see the beach during the daytime because I hadn't been there. After that we got on a Toto and we left for Mandir. একশো টাকা দেবো আমি হবে. While returning we were panicking so much क्योंकि हमें लग रहा था कि हम लेट हो गए हैं बट वहाँ पहुँच के पता चला कि अभी तक टीचर्स ही नहीं आए हैं. तो वी थॉट कि उस मोमेंट में खाजा ख़रीद लेते हैं क्योंकि टेम्पल में तो खाजा ख़रीदने का मौका नहीं मिला. Then we did our lunch. It was so simple. I mean, I probably haven't mentioned this in the vlog before but the food was so good. Mutton was also available but वो मैंने खाया नहीं because मुझे अपने हेल्थ का भी ध्यान रखना था. After having lunch हमने पैकिंग कर लिया because आज रात को ही हमारा ट्रेन है. बट बिफोर दैट पैकिंग करने के बाद हम लोग थोड़ी देर के लिए बीच गए थे फिर से. बट आई वॉज सो डिसअपॉइंटेड. बीच में इतनी भीड़ थी. लाइक द मॉर्निंग आई केम to Puri yesterday, it was so serene and so peaceful. It was a different beach than this one. This is like the main market side wala beach. I left my chappal. This is not the beach experience that I wanted. I just wanted that peaceful and calm beach that I got yesterday morning. But it's okay, we'll deal with it. It's a beautiful beach, so let's just ignore the crowd. Anyway, after I lost and found my chappal, we went to the market again. We still had some time left before dinner, so जिसको भी जो भी shopping complete करनी थी वो अब कर सकता था. I personally didn't think I would buy anything, but I just entered this shop. It's called Kalinga. So this, like, it's a handicraft shop, and I didn't think I would buy anything, but I ended up buying a shawl for my mom and this shirt for my dad. Then we found this gem of a pan shop because यहाँ पे वो इतने अलग अलग shapes के pan बना रहे थे. I'll just show you in a bit.
আঙ্গুর হবে, প্রজাপতি হবে, সব হবে।
ও বাহ!
এটা হচ্ছে আমি লাগবে সব পানের জার।
We came back, had our dinner, and सबके पसीने छूट गए थे चिकन खाते खाते क्योंकि वो इतना ज़्यादा स्पाइसी बना था. Anyway, we packed up everything and we were ready to leave. Everybody was feeling a little sad that it was over. Everybody was saying कि if it would be just one more night, we would have a lot of more fun. Like if the train was in next morning, तो better रहता. But ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. जो भी मस्ती रह गई थी वो हमने ट्रेन में पूरी कर ली थी क्योंकि हम लोग पूरे रात जागे हुए थे. Around 3 o'clock is when we went to sleep. This was a bittersweet moment for me because I was just beginning to open up with people and getting close to them, and the journey was about to come to an end. Even teachers कभी भी उठ के हमें सोने बोल सकते थे. You know, like one of those feelings जब बचपन में कोई गेस्ट आता था घर पे एंड हम उनसे बात नहीं करते थे, शाई होते थे, बट जब गेस्ट जाने लगते थे दैट इज़ व्हेन यू वेर लाइक वेरी फ्रेंडली एंड देन यूड विश कि काश वो गेस्ट थोड़ी देर और रुक जाए. Next morning, my parents came to pick me up from the station, and I was excited, so excited. I was telling them all the stories, showing them pictures, videos. I couldn't even wait till I reached home. This trip is very special to me, not because I made core memories with my core circle, but because I was reminded of how I could always have fun on my own. तेरे प्यार का नशा कभी यार कभी पार, तेरा प्यार 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 कबार, तेरा प्यार प्यार प्यार.
এই